Good morning, students. Today we will describe the poet, the kite. This is the second poem of your main book, Anishakal. You should enjoy this poem like this. How the writer describes about a kite. All of us like to fly kites. It is a reality that every child enjoys the flying activity of a kite. Have you ever tried to fly one? This is a question on the behalf of the writer. He questioned you that have you ever enjoyed a flying kite? Read this poem about a kite and as it flies in the sky. If you ever enjoy the flight of a kite, if never enjoy the flight of a kite, you have a chance to enjoy the activity with the writer. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. The flying kite, when it is new, it's look very bright. It's look very magnificent. It gives enjoyment to everyone with a dive and dip. When it goes lower position and when it goes here and there, it snaps its tail. It means it makes a good noise by its tail. Snaps, snaps, farfadana. Such kind of a voice creates from its tail, then soars like a sea. But after some time, it soars. It rises up in the air like a sea. The writer, the writer compare comparison it with the sea, with only a sail, with only a sail, because a kite only one sail, one sail, that is its thread. Okay. But in a sea, there is a cloth, sailing cloth. Okay, as over tides, ship swims over the tides of a sea. Okay, of wind it rides like the ship. The wind rides over the wind. Okay, this is a comparison between ship and kite. Climbs to the crest. The kite climbs, rises high in the air on the top. The meaning of the crest is top. Climbs top of the sky of a gust and pulls of a gust. Like a gust, it means like a sudden flow of a wind and pulls, rises high, then seems to rest as wind falls. And when the wind falls slow, the kite also seems to rest. When string goes slack, and this time when the kite goes slow, the string, the thread goes slack. It means goes loose. It's loses. Okay, you win it back and you pull its tight back. It means you wrap up the thread in your round, okay, and run until a new breeze blows and you start it. Run, because this is the activity By this, you fill air in the kite. Okay? A new breeze blows. Okay? And it is and its wings fill. And when the kite full of wind, it goes up in the air. Okay? This is the activity of a kite. When you run with the kite, it fills with air and it goes up in the air. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is same starting line. In this time, the kite seems very beautiful, but a regular thing you never will see. But this flying kite you would like to see forever. But if it happens to regular, it means torn. It means it caught accident with a T when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. When its flaps, its wings uh, catch the tree, it totally torn up. And this is not a good of the kite for the enjoyment. Okay? When it flaps on a string in the top of this is a bad thing with the kite. Okay. So thank you, students. The question answer will uh, detailed in next class.